Verifying your Airbnb account is an essential step to ensure a secure and trustworthy experience for both hosts and guests. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Airbnb website or app and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding with verification. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or the menu icon, where you will see options related to your account. Step 3. Select Verification Options. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Verification or Identity Verification. Click on this option to see the different methods available for verifying your identity. Step 4. Provide required information. Follow the prompts to submit the necessary information for verification. This may include uploading a government-issued ID, providing a phone number, or verifying your email address. Ensure all information is accurate and clear. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information, wait for Airbnb to review your verification request. You will receive a notification via email or app once your account has been successfully verified or if further action is needed. Completing these steps will help you verify your Airbnb account, enhancing your credibility within the community. Enjoy your experience on the platform.